Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family, and happy Monday. This is Lindsay, and I'm back with more daily work from home job leads for you. These job leads are mainly going to be non-phone, non-talking. I know a lot of you don't want to be on the phone doing that typical customer service, but you don't mind non-phone options. So that's what I have in today's video. We have everything from answering emails, answering website live chats. We have some data entry, and even if you stay to the end, have a really well-paying job from Pinterest that pays anywhere from like $100,000 a year up to $240,000 a year. We are going to dive all into it, but real quickly, if you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about taking the painstaking work of finding remote work from home jobs that are hiring out for you. So we search all of the job boards several times a day, round up the best remote work from home jobs that are hiring right now, and share them on a daily basis, Monday through Friday. So make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on. And if you want links to any of the pages that I share and timestamps, all the good things are in the YouTube description box below this video. I always just ask that if you enjoy anything that I share, let me know. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, and sharing is always caring. So share with your friends and family so we can all work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life. First up, though, we have Amazon. I don't think Amazon really needs any introduction. They have 203,000 reviews from past and current employees with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.7 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a luxury beauty chat consultant. Now, please note, this is going to be in select states only. Those are going to be New York, California, Texas, Virginia, and Washington. But if you're in one of those states, they're looking for somebody to work 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's when their operating hours are. They do operate 7 days a week. So you need to have flexibility in the days that you can work. You might have to work some nights, weekends, and holidays. But they're looking for somebody to provide personal experience to their customers to achieve their beauty objectives using that website chat. So you are going to help people find beauty products and things to buy on Amazon through website chat, providing them personalized recommendations, using your beauty expertise, providing brand and product knowledge, and just offering advice, conducting online one-on-one consultations. So you'll communicate simultaneously with multiple customers through that website chat in a friendly, personalized, and informative manner. So you'll have multiple chat windows open on your computer, and so you'll be helping multiple people at the same time, identifying and understanding what the customer needs and helping them select tailored skincare or makeup products. So you'll just address any questions that they ask, present products and services to them, giving them knowledge about the products and services. So you are going to have to know a little bit about skincare or beauty products. They are not requiring any kind of college degree. Of course, it's preferred. It's not required, but you do have to have 2 years of beauty experience in some kind of retail sales counter or chat selling. So if you've ever worked in like Ulta, Sephora, if you've ever worked in like Belks and Dillard's at those Clinique counters or any of those makeup counters, this might be a great way for you to transition out of those retail stores into the work from home environment. Of course, you got to have great communication skills, a great knowledge of beauty products, and be confident and able to make decisions under pressure. Now, pay for this position is going to be highly dependent across your geographic market or location in which you are located in the United States. Pay ranges anywhere from $31,200 a year up to $65,100 a year. Moving right along, for those that are not interested in beauty or don't live in those select few states, we have data entry. CrewBloom is hiring for a data entry specialist. They have 276 reviews on Glassdoor, a high employee satisfaction rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. And again, they are looking for a data entry specialist. Now, this is going to be remote for the United States. They're looking for somebody to provide administrative support to their underwriting department. So you're going to basically be entering insurance policy information and documentation into their system. You'll accurately enter this data into the company portals. You'll have to communicate with your partners and brokers if you have any missing documents that you need to make sure that the data entry is accurate and complete. You'll just review the policy documents, making sure everything is accurate and correct before going to the underwriters. Now, they are looking for somebody who has prior experience in data entry, somebody who can use those computer systems well, use data entry software and tools. So you've got to have very great attention to detail, strong organization, and time management skills. And sadly, this one did not list pay. Pay will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. If you have great attention to detail, though, you might want to be reviewing forms and checking them, making sure everything is on the up and up. So if that is the case, we have Strayer University hiring. They have 697 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a student account representative for their employer support. This basically means you're going to review and input the sponsored student authorization forms into the system, ensuring all the information is complete for billing purposes. So you're really reviewing these forms, making sure that everything is timely billed and timely collected for student receivables. So you're generating and following up on cases related to student account issues, overseeing the file organization and database management, reviewing the accounts for payment status, posting payments when they're received, following up on past due balances. This does require 2 years of some kind of college. Well, they prefer somebody who has bookkeeping, data entry, or collections experience. You do have to be highly organized and a problem solver, detail-oriented, self-motivated, and of course, you've got to be able to work a computer. Pay for this position is going to be anywhere from $16.25 an hour all the way up to $24.50 an hour. Now, if you're interested in answering and responding to emails from home, I have 2 different positions that are going to be mainly email support with a little bit of live chat or something else thrown in there. First up, though, we have Jetpack Workflow. Now, Jetpack Workflow only has 2 reviews on their Glassdoor page. Those 2 reviews, they are highly rated with them at a 4.0 out of 5 stars, but I always urge you to do your own research on any companies before giving them your personal information. Jetpack Workflow, though, is hiring a customer success and support specialist. This is going to be remote for the United States. So they are a leading software as a service company serving accounting and bookkeeping community. So you are going to be helping them respond to their customer inquiries about their software, responding to these requests through either the website live chat or email, so completely non-phone. You're going to help the customers navigate those software products and services, resolving any technical issues that they have, just monitoring the customer accounts, making sure that they are getting the most out of the software products and offering. So if you have new customers, you might have to help onboard them, making sure that they're fully equipped and know how to get started using the products effectively. So you'll just collect customer feedback, contribute to product and service improvements. So if you see a lot of trends or you have a lot of customers that are giving you feedback wanting certain features, you'll just escalate that up, hoping to get those features added to the software. You'll just maintain reports of anything that you come across so that you can make sure any bugs in the software get to the engineering teams to work out too. Now, they do prefer somebody who has a bachelor degree or equivalent experience in a relevant field. So if you have a lot of customer service experience, I would still apply to this. Someone who has great communication skills, someone who is tech savvy and techie proficient, so you're going to have to help them navigate through software. So you got to be a problem solver and you have to be located in the United States. Pay for this position is located all the way at the bottom. It's anywhere from $55,000 a year up to $65,000 a year. $65,000 a year is $1,250 a week. Along those same lines of email type support, we have the company Appcues. I hope I'm saying that right. Again, they only have 31 reviews, so as always, do your own research, but they do have a very high rating of 4.9 out of 5 stars. Again, they are looking for a support specialist. This is going to be remote for the United States. Now, their support is going to be a little bit different. You're going to be helping customers with their support-related issues by providing excellently written emails or video chat support. So when you can't help them over email, you might have to do a video chat over like a Zoom call where you can share screens and different things like that. Just know that going in that you might have to be on video from time to time, but the majority of this is going to be providing those written emails. You'll conduct training sessions for their customer base to remove friction from the customer journey, just working closely with all the other departments like finance and sales, making sure the customers are provisioned for the products and features that they are subscribed to. So you need to make sure that the sales team has them set up and activated basically to be able to use the software and things like that. You're going to help maintain retention and drive growth for the company, just helping keep not only the customer satisfied and answering their questions, but keep that customer loyalty. You'll also have to update any billing records or account provision requests and escalate those up if you can't take care of them. You'll be doing things like deactivating accounts, adding accounts, canceling accounts, all of those different account functions for the customer. They are looking for somebody who has a curious mind with a desire to learn, somebody who has previously worked in some kind of billing support role or software as a service process, a billing process, software as a service company. You have a little bit of background in like software and tech, somebody who likes empowering users by sharing knowledge. So you love just collaborating, being a great listener and communicator. Pay for this one is anywhere from $45,000 a year up to $55,000 a year. Now remember, there's 52 weeks in a year, so anything that is $52,000 and above will be $1,000 or more a week. And of course, last but not least, how could we leave out Pinterest? Now, Pinterest probably needs no introduction, but they had a fun position open that I just thought that I would share. Pinterest has 908 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They're looking for a manager for their operations and compliance department. Again, this is going to be remote for the United States. But Pinterest has been rolling out a new progressive work model that they are calling PinFlex. And so this is their flexible approach to living and working. And so under their PinFlex brand, they are looking for somebody to manage their ops team, developing, maintaining the compliance program, just making sure that the company and every department in the company is adhering to all of the laws, regulations, and industry standards while still making sure that they scale outcomes for the operational teams. So you're basically going to help not only develop but implement policies and procedures, looking at risk assessments, providing guidance to employees, and compliance matters. You'll work closely with the legal and engineering teams, just making sure that all the solutions for operational processes, tools, and policy gaps are compliant with laws and regulations that Pinterest has to follow. If you have any escalations, you'll resolve those escalations and focus on remediations of the operations process, policies, and procedures. So if you basically have an issue come up and you're like, oh, our process didn't account for this, you'll help redevelop the process, changing things up. So you're really just making sure the company is ran in a legal way. They are looking for somebody who has 3 years of direct people management experience. So if you've ever been a manager, a leader, if you've worked in HR where you've managed people, somebody who has 5 years experience in either intellectual property, legal, or compliance operations. Somebody who's a critical thinker. You can manage and look at a lot of data and make decisions based on that data. Of course, you've got to be a great communicator. Pay for this position is very high. It's anywhere from $116,450 a year up to $240,000 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for down in the comments. I can never make any promises. I do read those and keep that in mind, though. I am still on the lookout for part-time, like overnight, nighttime jobs. I know a lot of you are looking for that. There just hasn't been that many here recently, but I'm still looking. But if you enjoyed anything that I shared in today's video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family. And of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.